Speaker after speaker, speakers after speakers have been talking about the poor state of our public libraries. Nobody challenged it. So we accept our public libraries are in a poor state. Let me start from there. Just to remind people, these are all everybody knows, just to remind people, more than 70% of our population live in villages, in rural areas. That is a huge number, equivalent to about 800 million people in villages. And our villages are the most neglected one as far as public libraries are concerned. Public libraries are in general in a poor state. Among that, the worst is the rural libraries. Another point I want people to remember, somebody touched upon this yesterday and today. Think of your neighborhood, wherever you are living. How many people in your neighborhood have access to libraries? I would say it won't be more than 5%. People don't have access to libraries. The moment you come out of your college or university, you don't know where to go. The moment you retire, you don't know where to get books or anything for that. So a largest majority of our population don't have access to libraries. People who can afford, they buy it from Flipkart or Amazon.com, walk into a bookshop and they buy it. Others manage without reading. That's a fact. When they are in colleges, universities, they are pampered with library service, 24 hours library service, access from your home, your office, from your hostel room. The moment they come out of that colleges or universities, they don't have a place to go for reading books or accessing information. That's a fact. One need to remember that. To whomever we are going to give recommendations after this conference, I think this point need to be stressed upon. Majority of our citizens in the country don't have access to libraries. I don't know how much we spend on libraries in the country. A very guess estimate from my friend now, Howard Eppen said this is how much we spend. I thought could be a total of about 400,000 for a population of 1.25 billion people. That is peanuts. What we are spending on public libraries is really, really very, very low per capita. If somebody has a calculator, you can find out how much we spend per capita on libraries in India. And how many public libraries we have? I don't think we have a straightforward answer to that. Maybe around 100,000 libraries. Where do we go from here? Where do we start? During lunchtime, I asked R.D. Desai, how much you spend on your library, to revamp your library? She said, it is 4 crore. To convert that library into what it is today, the Nehru Central Library, they spend 4 crore rupees. Can we afford to spend that type of money to revamp our 100,000 libraries? Certainly, the answer is no. Some suggestions. People say that every village should have a library. Yesterday somebody said we should have 400,000 libraries. At least a cluster of 10 villages, if we can have one good library, that could be a good beginning. We need a lot of money if we have to revamp our libraries. We heard the story from New Zealand. They said they are more or less in a similar condition, may not be as bad as this, but something like this. They decided to revamp their library system, Auckland, the amount of money they spend and how they succeeded in doing that. We have to do that. We have to revamp our libraries. We have to modern our libraries. We have to improve our infrastructure. We have to introduce technology. We have to train our librarians. We have to have new contents into our libraries. All these things cost a lot of money. Government can't expect the government to provide that type of funding to support our libraries. Government has got other priorities. Naturally, for any developing country, providing drinking water, providing basic primary education, health services, that get a priority, not libraries. As our chairman said, this is an investment on which you can't see immediate return. In a limited time, I want to make 3 suggestions for you people to consider. Can we think of instituting a centrally managed India Public Library Fund? Probably to generate money to sustain our public library system, that large number of public libraries. We need a kind of a fund, a centrally managed India Public Library Fund with an ambitious target. The fund should have so many crores of rupees. I have not put a figure, but that should be one of the things that one can think of. Somebody did mention about that, and I am repeating that. Contribution can come from the governments, the state government, from various sources. For historical reason, in India, the public libraries comes under the Ministry of Culture. I don't think there is any special affinity between culture and libraries. It is equally important that for the HRD ministry to own the libraries. It is equally important for the Rural Development Ministry to own the libraries. It is equally important for the Panchayati Raj Ministry to own the libraries. Why don't we create a fund seeking contributions from all these ministries? I'm just giving some examples, and generate a fund. Corporate houses, the CSR funding, our friend talked about it. International foundations, national foundation, national grant making trust, individuals. I'm sure people like libraries. You try to close a library, try to shift a library from here to another place, see the public reaction. They may not use it, but they will act violently. I have experienced it. So take money from wherever possible sources and create a fund. A second suggestion is a campaign, a high-profile campaign to create awareness about public libraries, what public libraries can really do, what public library can achieve. A centrally sponsored, high-profile library campaign, public library campaign with a brand ambassador. For everything you find on the television, campaigns like that. Swachh Bharat, Sports for Mark, Tiger, and girls' education. Why not one for public library? Partnership with a media channel. These are all possible. Somebody has to take the initiative. Somebody needs to do it. Probably we will never get a forum like this. I don't know whether we'll ever get a forum like this to make a decision on this. If we can do it, yes. The second suggestion I have is a media campaign, high-profile media campaign. Nobody will say public libraries are bad. A library association, Indian Public Library Association. You need a body to take it forward, to continue the momentum that has just started in these last 2 days, this forum. I think a body, I am not saying it should not be a body of librarians, but a body of all stakeholders who are part of the public library system, and should play a key role. That's all I want to say. I thought I will do it in as short a period as possible, but I end with these 3 suggestions for you people to consider, and thank you for giving the opportunity for your organizers.
Thank you, Mr. Jayarajan ji.